Hello, friends. This is your host at Trade at Levels, and I welcome you all once again. In this video, we shall be discussing the top 10 promising stocks for the coming week. I would personally recommend you to hold them or buy them from a positional or a swing trading viewpoint rather than intraday. However, you can also trade them on an intraday basis with a proper risk management in place. Sometimes the targets may be achieved in intraday itself, and sometimes they may take some time, so I recommend it from a positional viewpoint. Before we start, I request you to please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and click on the bell icon for regular notifications. Also, friends, so we all learn and earn together, I request you to please share the channel with all your friends for maximum reach. That is all what I expect from you in return. Thanks so much in advance. Moving on, let's discuss the stock picks one by one. Please note that the order in which the stocks are presented is random, so all are equally important and good. To begin with, the first stock is Titan. It has broken the resistance of 1155 to 1160 with good volumes, and now the previous resistance is working as a good support. I would advise a long between 1155 to 1160 for targets of 1185, 1225 and finally 1250. The stop loss shall be 1085 on a closing basis. The next stock pick is Bajaj Finance Limited. From the charts, we can see that it has retested the cup and handle breakout and an inside bar is formed at the support level. I would recommend a swing long above 3621 for a target of 3750 with a stop loss of 3460 on a closing basis. Moving on, the next stock is Axis Bank. It has retested the zone and the upward channel. Buying is recommended for a target of 485 with a stop loss of 445 on a closing basis. Our next stock pick is Century Textiles. From the charts, we can see that ascending triangle pattern is about to break upwards in a bullish manner. Also, moving average of 50 days has crossed the moving average of 144 days, and the stock was one of the top movers in the bearish market on Friday, that is 4th September 2020. Buying is recommended for a target of 365 to 385 with a stop loss of 320 on a closing basis. The next stock is ICICI Prudential. Considering the harmonics pattern we see on the charts, a long position can be initiated between 402 to 406 for a target of 416 and 430 with a stop loss of 387 on a closing basis. Our next stock pick is Granules India Limited. The time frame considered is weekly. Considering the movement shown by the stock on a weekly time frame, the stock can be bought for a target of 380 with a stop loss of 335 on a closing basis. The next stock is TCS. Seeing the charts, the stock can give a breakout above 2325. If it breaks 2325, then a long position can be initiated for a target of 2500 with a stop loss of 2240 on a closing basis. Moving on, the next stock is ACC. I would personally not recommend to buy the stock at the current levels. However, you can wait for some fall and buy the stock in the range of 1270 to 1290. The targets anticipated are 1333, 1356 and 1374 with a stop loss of 1244 on a closing basis. Our next stock is Zeal. From the charts, it can be seen that it has closed very close to an important trend line which is running since February 2019. Above 229, I would recommend a buy for a target of 260 with a strict stop loss of 199 on a closing basis. Coming to our last stock pick, it is Grasim. Seeing the price action on the charts, A long position can be initiated for a target of 750 with a stop loss of 695 on a closing basis. Thank you friends for watching the video, and I wish you all a very good luck. Once again, I request you to please share these stock picks with all your friends so we all can learn and grow together in this financial journey. God bless you.